Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making roasted potatoes and onions. This is an easy and delicious side dish that takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and take a baking sheet and line it with foil and spray it with nonstick cooking spray and then set it aside. For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of small red potatoes. Cut each potato into wedges, trying to make sure that each piece is about the same size. Then place them into a large bowl. Next, cut a medium onion into strips. Then place them into the bowl. Now pour on 1/3 cup of olive oil. Then sprinkle on 1 packet of Lipton Onion Soup and Dip mix. Now stir this together until everything is well coated. Then place the mixture onto your prepared baking sheet and spread it out evenly. Now roast this in the oven for 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your cut potatoes. And make sure to turn the potatoes and onions over once during the roasting. Remove them from the oven once your potatoes are fork tender. And here they are, roasted potatoes and onions. And this recipe can easily be doubled. And you can change this up by adding some cut sweet potatoes or baby carrots. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. From the oven once the potatoes are fork tender. Oh, right at the end. Oh no. And you can change this up by adding in some cut